Patay tayo kay misis ito, buburahin pa ganito.
Ano ba yan? Video ba yan?
Oo, huwag kang pupus dyan. Video to. Ano ka ba?
Kala siguro. Picture.
Oo, yung sumasayaw-sayaw ka.
Nako.
YouTube ka niya.
Pagkalito-gito lang ako, nasa YouTube bigla kayo.
Depende pare.
Ito yung ano, safety. Ito yung view. Ito yung view.
Yan ang ano.
Siyempre,
Okay.
ay, gusto na ba? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, at this point, I will be presenting the in-depth understanding of the energy range. But, before that, please see this comment. The highest in the pretest.
So out of 10 points, actually only one, the highest point is 8. Okay, so we'll announce that later. And then we have 5 people who got 7, 2 of which are new employees.
Wow.
And Charlie. Okay, anyway. And then the lowest score is 3. Majority are in the 5 and the 6.
Nakakot.
Okay, for the second prize, earning 8 points, we have Miss Norman.
Wow.
And we give her prize.
Nakapag-review sila eh.